Hi, and welcome to Lesson 3 of WooCommerce Deposits, configuring product-specific deposits. In this video, I will show you how to configure product-specific deposits using the WooCommerce Deposits plugin. Let's get started. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on All Products. Now, edit a product. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on Deposits. Under Enable Deposits, you have three options. Inherit storewide settings. Use the global deposit settings. Yes, deposits are optional. Customers can choose to pay a deposit. Yes, deposits are required. Customers must pay a deposit. And no, let's select Yes, deposits are optional. Next, choose the deposit type. Inherit storewide settings. Use the global deposit type. Percentage, charge a percentage of the product price. Fixed amount, charge a fixed amount. Payment plan, use a product-specific payment plan. Let's select percentage and set the deposit amount to 20%. Now, set the default deposit selected type. Inherit storewide settings. Use the global default. Pay deposit, default to deposit payment. Pay in full, default to full payment. Let's select pay deposit. Once you have configured the settings, scroll up and click on the Update button. Now, this product has its own deposit settings. And that's it. In this video, you have successfully configured product-specific deposits using the WooCommerce Deposits plugin. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.